I'm going to talk about the hair tips today. Everybody have problem for the dry hair and hair falling, all this problem, everybody facing this problem. I'm going to tell about these tips for this. And we are having also very nice treatment for this in the salon. Nashi, L'Oreal and Silky Hair, many product. L'Oreal also different we have. Also Olaplex we have. The L'Oreal depend what type of your hair, what is your problem, depend. We have many product we have. Also L'Oreal different we have. And Nashi L'Oreal is the best one. We have everything there. And I am going to talk about the problem, your problem, dry hair. You are facing the dry hair problem, I want to tell, because the dry hair people, everybody thinking, when the dry hair, you have to put too much oil, the dryness will go, they thinking, and everybody putting too much oil in the hair. Actually, oil is very good for the hair growth and black hair, everything. Oil is very good, I know that, it is very true. At the same time, oil only for the scalp, you have to use for the roots, not for hair, because that is olden time people, when we are putting in the full hair, it is good because that time they are not using highlight, they are not using different colors and all, that time nobody using. So all the people using full hair oil, that is no any problem. But now everybody, most of the people, we are using oil, we are using color, we are using highlight, and we are using protein and straightening, all these things we are using. So for this, we must not use the oil for the hair. When you use this oil, you are washing too much. To remove the oil, it is become very dry. So always keep in your mind, put in the roots, only in the roots, and make mild massage, not too much massage also. Who have hair fall, there is no too much massage. When you do too much massage, the hair will fall more, because already the roots is weak and you want to grow the hair and you want to stop the hair falling. So when you do the massage, it will become the more weak and the more hair will fall. So mild massage just for 5 minutes and leave it. And here, which is giving conditioning for your hair, means conditioner and cream and a lot of mask and all is there. That things only from year to year you can apply this one always. Whenever you do shampoo also, very good wash in the scalp and put from year to year the mask or conditioner, whatever it is what you are going to use. All this you put only down, not the oil place here. Don't make the cream or mask anything in the roots, okay? So when you put in the roots, you will get dandruff in the creams and all when you put. There is particular cream is there. That one we can use in the roots. That one which you coming in the salon, we will know which to use, which not to use. So you should not go for the all the things you can put in the roots. No, you have to be careful. So the hair fall is stop and the hair dryness will stop, and especially who have the rebonding and protein, all these things should not apply oil at all. It will go back to the normal and it will become more dry. You will face the too much problem for the hair. Only roots, if you want to put that also. Better to avoid the oil when you do the protein or you do the straightening. Always you give preference for the mask or cream or conditioning, everything you can use. And main thing, you have to use for this hair only sulfate free shampoo for the hair. Who have the protein and straightening, this rebonding, who all have only sulfate free shampoo you should use. Otherwise it will go for normal. You will come again to the salon, my hair go again curly, they will say. It is wrong. And also you should not go for the swimming. If you go to the swimming, you have to cover your hair nicely, because the water is chlorine, all go to the normal. That's all. We'll see you next week. Bye.